Alright, welcome back to another Call of Duty Mobile video. You may remember when we took the stock off the ICR-1, or when we took it off the KN-44, and they became a bit faster to move with. Well, it turns out you can do the same thing with some LMGs. Also use some of these attachments, like a shorter barrel, ADS speed increase from the rear grip. You can also put a laser on it to put ADS speed on it as well. I chose to use the perk fast hands, but so reloading is a little bit quicker, because as you know, LMGs reloading can be a bit of a pain in the butt. So as you can see already, the movement speed feels a little bit better. ADS speed good, and obviously it's still going to have a decent damage and a lot of ammo to fire at people. And I also chose the RPD because, in my opinion, it's one of the most accurate LMGs you can use. Like, I used to use this thing like a 3-time scope or whatever, and just like laser from across the map. So I figured it would be the best to run and gun with. I mean, like, it does feel like it's performing more like an assault rifle, but with a lot of ammo, so kind of just negates the need to reload for a long time. Now, I will be testing this out with different LMGs over the times. Obviously, I gotta unlock the mode stuff, which is towards the end of nearly all of them, so there is some work involved in getting the attachment, but I mean, like, once you do, it does make it a pretty good weapon. It's actually been hard to decide what to use this season, because as you probably know, last season I used the AGR 556 mostly, the GKS, and the ICR-1. But the issue with that is, I'm pretty sure I've got them all maxed out, so there's nothing more I can learn from it, except for skins. I've also already got the ICR-1 gold, so there's no need to do that. And using the GKS and that, sometimes when you go for range shots, it just doesn't happen. Like, really long range shots, you're gonna get outshot sometimes.
Nice work. Get ready for the next round.
I think this gun's also going to be really good for just cleaning up multiple people at once. And obviously I got that baseball bat to run quicker with. Just drop shot that guy.
We've taken the lead.
Where did everybody go?
UAV spotted.
It's like the first time I've ever come A when it's their turn to be at A and they're not taking it. So weird. Let's pop this down real quick. It's better to put that in the shop there, but I'm not going to be bothered today. I'll just let them figure out they can shoot it from the window. You know, I'm starting to like this shield, because you can, when you're out of ammo, you can cancel it if you want. Man, you had like a whole 2 seconds to shoot me in the face while I was doing nothing with a tablet out then. You chose to run at me. Interesting choice, bro. Oof. I didn't even see that person. I can't wait to test out, like, to see what else can have no stock in the LMG and shotgun barrels, and see what else feels good to use. Because obviously when I took all the no stock assault rifles for tests, a lot of them did feel a lot faster to use. A lot of them felt better even. Like the ICR-1 without a stock feels like you're running with an SMG, but with that really good accuracy. So I do see potential in this. Kind of still not have anything but the Raging Bull skin for the RPD.
Nice work.
Never unlocked any other ones. Thanks for watching.